morning children and dear parents. Welcome to Standard 1. Today I am going to do revision work of mental maths. Children, let's come together and solve it. The first question is, what comes before 800? Children, tell me, what comes before 800? Yes, when we count backward from the given number, we get the number before. So, what comes before 800 is 799. Backward counting. 799. Moving on to the next question. 214 plus 412. Let's add. Let's do ones first. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Moving on to the third one. What comes after 299? Here we have to find out what comes after 299. Numbers that comes after are always greater than the given number. When we count forward from a given number, it is after numbers. So, what comes after 299 forward is 300. 300. Moving on to the next one. Subtract 4 from 10. We have to do subtraction. 10 minus 4 is? Yes, 6. Moving on to the fifth one. 15 birds plus 4 birds. Here we have to do addition. 15 plus 4 is 19 birds. So children, moving on to the next one. 10 caps minus 4 caps. Here we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 4 is 6 caps. Moving on to the next one, children. How many days are there in a week? There are dash days in a week. Tell me children soon, how many days are there? Yes, correct. 7 days. Moving on to the next question. What comes between 54 and 56? Here we have to find out between number. Between numbers are the one that come in the middle of two numbers. So children, tell me, what comes between 54 and 56? Yes, 55. 55. Moving on to the next question. The ordinal number of 10 is, children, ordinal number tells us the position of something in a list. So, ordinal number of 10 is 10th. Yes, very good. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. January is the dash month of the year. Here, children, what we have to give answer? We have to give answer in ordinal number. So, January is the first month of the year. Okay. Now, moving on to the next one. The 7th month of the year. Which is the 7th month of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Yes, July is the 7th month of the year. J-U-L-Y, July. Moving on to the next one. 8 less than 92. Less than, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So 92 minus 8 is, children tell me. Very good. Answer will be 84. Moving on to the next one. 222 plus 444. Yes, here we have to do addition. We will do ones first. 4 plus 2 is 6. Again 4 plus 2 is 6. Again 4 plus 2 is 6. 666. Moving on to the next one. Subtract 20 from 80. Here we have to do subtraction. 80 minus 20. Yes, that is 60. 60. Moving on to the next question. Teacher's Day is celebrated on. Children, when do we celebrate Teacher's Day? Which date? Which month? Yes, 5th of September. Moving on to the next question. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? When do we celebrate? Yes, 2nd of October. Moving on to the next question. 2 dozen eggs will have 24 units. 2 dozen eggs will have 24 units. Yes. Now moving on to the next question. 100 comes after. Children, question is 100 comes after. We have to do backward counting. So 99. Moving on to the next question. A pair has how many units? Yes, a pair has 2 units. Moving on to the next. 2 dogs will have how many tails, children? 1 dog has 1 tail. So 2 dogs will have 2 tails. Moving on to the next. 15 more than 12 is. Here we have to do addition. 15 plus 12 is 27. Moving on to the last question. Amit has 37 marbles. He lost 20 marbles. How many marbles does he have now? This is word problem. What is being asked for? Yes, here we have to do subtraction. 37 minus 20 because Amit lost the marbles. So let's subtract. 37 minus 20 is 17 marbles. So children, what did we revise today? Yes, we revised more than, less than, take away, addition, subtraction, months, days, and word problems. Children, revise all your work and practice well. Thank you.